Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. Even though I'm not titled the Aldi Addict anymore on my channel, we can all still describe ourselves as Aldi addicts, right? So, it's Sunday, I'm here, I'm getting my groceries, and I'm really excited. They have a pan. I'm really looking forward to getting the Awesome Pan, which I think is a hilarious name because it tells you nothing about the pan. But I'm going to believe that it's awesome, and I definitely need to replace my saucepan that's a similar size, and I love that it has a lid. It's super pretty, and so for $25, I'm going to give it a whirl. So let's hope that it's in my aisle of shame. Let's hope that they have more groceries this week, and let's get into the store and see. Okay, to start, our shelves are definitely still looking more bare than normal. Obviously not empty, but not promising. I'm getting 2 bags of dried strawberries for my daughter's lunches, and they're only $2.45 this week, which is crazy. My older daughter, Mila, requested wavy chips as their crunchy in their lunch this week, $1.69. I'm going to get panini bread because paninis are on our list, and it looks perfect for paninis. $3.99. I hope it's worth it. White bread for peanut butter sandwiches for my daughter's lunch. Someone pointed out to me that Nutella is mostly sugar and not actually hazelnut, which I honestly didn't realize, so we're switching to peanut butter for most of the times. I'm going to get 2 pounds of strawberries. They're $2.29 a piece. I just have to hunt for the best cases here. Mandarin oranges, $4.29. These are just super easy to add to any meal. My kids all love them. I need 2 mangoes, 89 cents. Just for meals this week. The mini cucumbers are not priced, so I hope that doesn't shock me at the end, but they're usually around $2 to $2.50. Easy lunch edition. I had to run back for 65-cent green onions and 79-cent cilantro. Always keep these on hand for taco night. Spinach for ravioli bake, and then I will keep the rest in my freezer for smoothies, $1.19. $2.39 for a gallon of white milk. $2.89 for a box of unsalted butter. I'm going to get oat milk, $2.49 for lattes and granola. I can't make mashed potatoes without potatoes, so $3.89 for 10 pounds of russet potatoes. $1.95 for applesauce. My son loves this. $2.69 for peanut butter. I need jalapeno peppers just for taco night, and then mini peppers are good for lunches, and also I'm going to cut some up for the soup. 65 cents for, and $2.99. $2.55 for the artichoke salad for paninis. I have to have this, best edition of paninis ever. My 5-year-old son asked me to get Butterfingers. He calls these Butterfingers, so $1.29. My husband asked me to get Diet Cola, which in the 16 years we've been together, he's never drank diet, but he's trying to convince himself. But $3.28. My husband also asked me to get some cereal, $2.19. I'm getting the honey wheat puffs, and $1.29 for fruit rounds. Still running low on juice boxes, so I've been buying Capri Suns at Walmart. They clearanced out the mini fridge. I cannot wait to show my husband. Maybe I'll come back and get this, guys. They have the cute area rugs. They're only $19.99 for 4x6. Exercise bench still here. Oh, they have the pan. This is the color I wanted. Kind of off-white, $24.99. It looks like they have quite a few that were taken. So I'm going to grab one. Wine racks. Those are really cute. Hey, just in time. It's almost my older daughter's birthday, so I'm going to grab her a card. I just got to figure out which one. I'm going to get her this one because she loves nachos. So there we go. 99 cents. I wish these were out earlier in the season because I already had to buy my son boots and they were not $12.99. He would love these, but we don't need more winter shoes. I could go get the mail in snow with these. These are super cute. More pajamas, loungewear, underwear, socks. Oh, look guys, they have the planners in here. Let's look through one. Perfectly Imperfect. Inhale, exhale, keep going. And they're $6.99. Okay, so I'm going to show you what's inside. They have no date. So you can buy it now and start it and use it still for a whole year, which I think is great. So it looks like the weeks kind of change what's available, but pretty blank. And then there's notes at the end. I think these are really nice door insulators. We actually already have one. Otherwise, I'd be grabbing that. But they do really help with drafts. Heated blankets I love. Personal heaters. And the thing I love about Aldi is you can try something, and if you don't like it, they have a great return policy. They have a Singer sewing machine. Normally you see kind of their off-brand. Diffusers, baskets, organizer baskets. I bet this is all supposed to be here before Christmas or, oh my gosh, Halloween. Look how delayed some of this stuff is. And it's not clearanced right now, which is kind of crazy to me. Puppets. Lots of toys. Blippi. All of the Valentine yummies are still out here. Valentine pasta. I've had that before. Actually, Aldi sent me a fan box before I had this page, and I really enjoyed it. But it came with that pasta. Still have some of the pajamas. They don't have very many gloves left. I think I'm going to buy these for my husband. Came back this week and bought some for my daughter and I. I'm going to get these for him because I think he needs them. And if he doesn't want them, I'll return them. But it's the last pair at size extra large. So there you go, honey. Brown gravy for when we have mashed potatoes and chicken nuggets, 30 cents. Pinto beans, I'm going to make refried beans in my Instant Pot, $1.39. Okay, I'm going to get vodka sauce for $3.19. This is what the Pioneer Woman's calling for in the ravioli bake. $2.25 for some pesto. And Parmesan just because we're getting low. Also, I'm just going to get rigatoni for when I make the soup that my family might not like. They can just have some pasta. I need vegetable stock for when I make the dumpling soup, $1.59. They have more chicken breasts, of course, when I'm not buying it. I'm using frozen this week. I'm going to grab a bag of breakfast blend, $3.99. I think this looks interesting. I'm not going to buy it. It seems kind of expensive, but my kids would probably love that. We make a mousse at home, though. This looks really good. Creme brulee. It's a pudding mixture. Yummy. $1.69. Valentine's cookies. Finally have no hams. Buffalo wings. Grilled chicken strips. They still have the taco kits. Shrimp. Ooh. I'm getting this buffalo style chicken breast for paninis, $2.99. My 11-year-old texted me asking to grab these while I've been here, so $2.28. They don't have the Aldi brand, but I can still get those. If I thought my vegetarian would try these, I would love to get these when I make nuggets this week, plant-based ones, but I don't think she would. $4.29. My husband still is not sick of this medium salsa, so I'm going to get it for taco night. $2.39. We all really like it. I had to grab a cheese off the cart because it's not loaded yet, but $1.99 for Parmesan. Havarti for $2.29. $3.29 for tangerine water. Again, hubby's favorite. I'm going to get potato puffs for paninis, $1.49. $1.49 for cauliflower rice. I'm actually going to stick this in the broccoli cheese soup. Just don't tell anyone. Okay, so this is my whole cart. Anyone want to take a guess on the total? I'm going to guess $134.18. I don't normally guess, but I'm going to today. I'm not getting any of this, but they have really cute Valentine displays at the end. Rice Krispies, cookies, coffee, and cereal. Okay, so my total was $128.36. I feel pretty good about that considering I bought a new pan and I got gloves for my husband. So now that you've seen what I got, what I spent, let's see what the meal plan is for the week. For the week, we're actually starting the week off with leftovers from last week's meal plan. Then we're gonna have ravioli bake and homemade breadsticks. I have the recipe for the breadsticks listed below. The ravioli bake is from this cookbook, and I'm doing it because I found ravioli in my freezer. We're having tacos and refried beans or tostadas. We have a lot of leftover shells from the last few weeks, so we're going to use those up with salsa and chips. It'll be an easy dinner. We're having the chicken with paninis and tater tots, and then I'll have some sort of a fruit with it. I have a lot of cheese to use up. We're going to have broccoli cheese soup. And last week I went to Aldi on a last minute run and found 55-cent ciabatta rolls. So I'm going to pull those out of the freezer and we'll have it with the broccoli cheese soup. I'm making another recipe from the Pioneer Woman Super Easy cookbook. It's dumpling soup. And then I'm going to make pasta on the side because I have a feeling that my family probably won't love this meal as much as I will. But I'm excited to give it a try because it sounds delicious to me, and I have dumplings once again that I found in the freezer to use up. So finally, this last meal, my 10-year-old was craving KFC, and I told her I'd make mashed potatoes, homemade chicken nuggets. I'm going to make them in the air fryer, and then we have green beans. Any recipe that I'm using that's not in this cookbook is going to be listed below. Otherwise, I'm just kind of using what I have to make stuff. If you're interested in seeing a video where the breadsticks are part of one of the dinners, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and ciao.